How awesome is that? My Bluetooth microphone actually works for once. A cool little campsite. But unfortunately, this road gets a lot of traffic, so it wouldn't probably be very peaceful. It's one of the most traveled roads, dirt roads in Chattahoochee National Forest. See how bad this is. It's not too bad. It's very, very wet. That was deeper than I expected. Oh well. Well, that was the Super Tenere's very first water crossing. Let's change that traction control. Can we do that? You gotta hold it down. There, we stopped. There we go. You can allow a little bit more wheel spin. Yeah, there's a good bit of water flowing. This one is normally not deep at all. And it's got some it's got a little bit of depth to it. That's surprising. I guess the spring rains, something's rattling. I don't know what it is. Maybe the keys. Anyway, that was her first creek crossing. Or 2 creek crossings. I think I got just about 4,100 miles on her now. I'd say half of that was a trip up to Blue Ridge Parkway last fall. The other half was commuting. Maybe even more. Anyway, so it wasn't too bad. She did okay. She's a big girl, that's for sure. I mean, that's street tires. I'm sure with Shinko 805s or something, she'd do a lot better. There's a little bit of slippage. There's a bunch of wood right there. A little bit of slippage, but not too bad. But she's what I got right now. And I'm doing an awful lot of commuting. And there's no end in sight for that right now. If I want to ride, I'm going to have to commute. Except for, a lucky day like this. Every once in a while. This is the exception, that's for sure. And I'm going to be commuting a good bit more because I have taken a job, or accepted a job in Alpharetta, which is a little bit further down towards Atlanta than my past job, or my current job. So that sounds weird. Just paranoid, I guess. Anyway, so looking forward to the job, especially the pay part. It's going to be well paying, but like I said, it's a long trip. All right, let's head into Helen. old Logan Turnpike, testing the gap. All right.